A circuit judge today dismissed all charges against local actor Gary Anderson. Anderson was charged with attacking 3 Waikiki prostitutes with a stun gun. As KITV4 News court reporter Cedric Yamanaka tells us, Anderson says he's grateful and relieved.
More than 2 years ago, an Oahu grand jury indicted Gary Anderson on 15 counts of attacking 3 Waikiki prostitutes with what prosecutors called a stun gun. 2 of those cases were dismissed when the alleged victims failed to appear in court. Now, days before Anderson's trial, prosecutors said they cannot find the 3rd and final alleged victim.
And we have made no progress in securing our victim for trial.
Anderson's public defender said there had been enough delays and Anderson's case should be dismissed. Circuit Judge Richard Perkins agreed.
The state has had an ample opportunity to bring this case to trial and has not been able to. The case will be dismissed for lack of prosecution with prejudice.
That means prosecutors will not be able to recharge Anderson with the crimes ever.
Oh, I'm thrilled. I'm so excited. If I could have screamed in the courtroom, I certainly would have.
Our preference was always to prevail on the playing field of the courtroom. However, we'll take the forfeit.
I'm just relieved that it's over, more than I could ever say.
Anderson says he was wrongly accused that the so-called stun gun was for self-defense and that prosecutors unfairly turned his life into a living hell.
It was awful. It was just awful to be reminded of the seriousness of these charges all the time, but having the strength of character and knowing that I was innocent and my faith in God helped me get through it.
Gary Anderson says he now plans to relocate to Northern California to rebuild his life. He says while the charges and accusations have damaged his heart, spirit, and reputation, he says his love for the islands will always remain. Cedric Yamanaka, KITV4 News, Circuit Court.